Hey everybody, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help, and I'm excited to be back in my kitchen. I've been in my kitchen all day actually, so this is going to be my 6th recipe today, but I love it. It's what I do for a living, and I couldn't be in a better place, and I'm blessed. So I want to cook for you tonight, and my goal is to, as always, show you quick, simple, easy recipes that are healthy with real whole ingredients and show you all easy alternatives to healthy cooking. A lot of people think it's overcomplicated. A lot of people think it's expensive and that it takes too long. So tonight we are going to make a healthy version of shrimp tacos, and I can't wait to show you some alternatives that I'm going to do in the kitchen tonight. I'm waiting on the oil to heat up for the shrimp. The only thing that I did ahead of time was I marinated the shrimp with, let me try to remember. So you're going to have to write this down because this is a recipe I'm making up as I go along. And I'm not going to be posting it later. This is just me cooking dinner for my husband and I. This is real. This is how it happens. So the shrimp is lime, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder. I think that's it. Yeah, that's the shrimp, and it's been marinating for about an hour. My oil is almost hot. We're going to make a really nice slaw to go with these shrimp tacos. And I want to show you how to do it in a very healthy way. Most of the time we just slap some, the popular brand mayonnaise in there and hope for the best. So tonight I'm going to show you some ways to put health into your recipes that isn't complicated. Almost ready. I do want to share with you, while my oil is heating, that I am hosting a free event. I am doing the hosting. There is a sponsor that is putting on the event, and if you want to do it, it's 2 weeks. It's August the 20th and August the 27th. The 20th, I'm cooking 3 healthy, fun recipes. On the 27th, I'm doing a live webinar on inflammation. So if you want to join that, just go over to Instagram and find the account. She's called Boundless Collection. Find her on Instagram, and in her profile, just click on the link and register. It's completely free. She does promotional products. As a matter of fact, she sent me this wine glass that says cheers. Isn't that so cute? She sent me that and a whole box of goodies. Her name is Amber George. She's amazing. And this event's going to be a lot of fun. But we do have limited seats because I have a Zoom account and it's maxed at a certain number. So I think we're at about 65% capacity right now. You should do it. It's fun. They're only 30 minutes. So I know it's right in the middle of the day, but it's only 30 minutes. So if you want, head to Boundless Collection on Instagram. Click the link in her profile and register. Completely free, fun. You're going to learn 3 healthy recipes, and the next week you're going to learn 30 minutes worth of information on inflammation and how to reduce it and foods that you should incorporate into your diet to help keep that inflammation down. Because immunity is everything right now, right? Okay, I'm going to, sorry this is taking a little, oh, it's hot. I'm still learning this cooktop, so thanks for your patience. All right, we're going to take this marinated shrimp and stick it on the bobby. Just kidding. We're going to be putting it in my ceramic cookware. All right, shrimp doesn't take very long. And if you do not like shrimp, or if you have an allergy to shellfish, you can absolutely do whitefish. You can do chicken. You can do tofu if you're vegetarian. All right, we're just going to cook that for a couple of minutes. And while that is doing its thing, we're going to make the slaw. So what I did was I chopped up some Napa cabbage and purple cabbage, and I bought pre-shredded carrots. It is okay to buy cut-up vegetables. If it saves you time, I'm all for it. Just make sure there's nothing else in it but the vegetable itself in the package. So now what I'm going to do, I got out a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm just going to play. Let's do lime juice, of course. If this is your first time watching me, I freshly squeeze my lemon and lime juice every week, and I put it in one of these 99-cent bottles that I got at Walmart. I do 8 lemons and 8 limes every week, and it makes my cooking so much easier. Okay, let's do cumin. I love cumin. Your spices actually have nutrients in them, so make sure you get good ones. If you can get organic, great. I'm going to do onion powder. I buy my spices, most of them I buy organic, and a lot of them I buy in bulk online. It's just cheaper. I'm going to do a little dill weed. I I ran out of fresh dill because I put it in a recipe today in one of my corporate deals. So we're going with the dried today. I do a little paprika. And let's try out some garlic powder. Just a little bit of all of them. Next up, we have mayonnaise. Here's the trick. I want to talk about labels for a second. I got this mayonnaise at Whole Foods. It's called Chosen Foods. They're my favorite brand of condiments because I know I can pronounce every ingredient in there. So I just want to read the first 5 ingredients to you really quick. Avocado oil, pure filtered water, egg yolks, organic whole eggs, organic distilled white vinegar, organic mustard, and distilled organic vinegar. Already said that. As my point is, everything in this jar is real whole foods. There's no synthetic, overly processed, refined oils in it, like canola oil, palm oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil. None of that is in here. Real whole ingredients. Now, I will say, I'm not going to eat the whole jar, but if I'm just adding a little bit into a dish, it's okay. Just make sure you're buying good mayonnaise. And there's good mayonnaise at your everyday grocery store too. If you don't go to Whole Foods, it's okay. Walmart has good mayonnaise too. All right. I'm just doing maybe a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Most of my stuff is going to be this goodiness right here. This is, well, there you go. Cashew milk yogurt. Unsweetened cashew milk yogurt. When it's in a dish like this and you're putting all the seasonings in it, you're not going to be able to tell that it's not sour cream. You're just not. Dairy causes major inflammation in our bodies, so I avoid it as much as possible. But I'm here to tell you also that I'm human. If I go to a party and there's pizza, honey, I'm going to eat it. But I don't eat pizza at home. So you just have to find that balance. So when you're at home and you're making the food and you control what's going in your body, choose good food. This whole recipe, start to finish, is going to, without me talking, would probably take me 15 to 20 minutes. All right, shrimp is cooking nicely. I'm really digging this electric stove cooktop. Turned it down too much, I think. Still haven't. We're not friends yet. This cooktop. We like each other. We're acquaintances. So I'll get better at it every time I cook with it. All right. So now I'm going to. I forgot to get the salt. I'm going to add some salt. I already have the paprika in there, so I'm probably not going to do pepper because I put chili powder on the shrimp. Yum! The purple cabbage is turning it kind of pink, which is fun, right? Look. And you can get creative. If you want to add in like a fresh jalapeno, go for it, man. I'm going to put fresh cilantro on the tacos themselves. Mmm. Oh, that's good. It needs something. It needs more cumin. So when you're doing this, you can put the cilantro in the slaw, or you can put it on the tacos. Hello. Hello. So the slaw is ready. I'm just going to set that aside. Shrimp's almost done. Quick, easy, healthy. All right, let's cut up some cilantro. Whenever you buy your herbs, wrap them in a damp paper towel and put them in either a plastic bag or what, if you're earthy friendly, you can put them in a glass container. It doesn't matter, but keep them moist and they'll last twice as long. I'm just going to cut a little bit off of this batch because it's just my husband and I. Roll it back up. All right, whenever you're rolling your herbs, don't forget, roll them like a cigar. Put your tip of your knife on your cutting board and rock. I never claimed to be a neat cook, ever. I'm messy, but that's okay. It's kind of fun that way, right? I took a poll in this Facebook group I'm in. It's like an entrepreneurial Facebook group. And I took a poll and I asked them what holds them back, if they could name one thing that holds them back from eating healthy. And 9 out of 10 people said time and planning, lack of planning. So I thought that was interesting because I want to really show people that just shows me that the reason a lot of people don't eat healthy is they think they don't have time. So I want to shift that mindset, because what we're eating should be at the top of our priority list, right? Because it's like a snowball effect. You eat healthy, you feel good. You feel good, you work better. You feel good, you're a better parent. You feel good, you're a better spouse. So you feel good, you feel like going to church and having your spiritual moment. All of these things happen because you're healthy, right? So I want to shift people's mindset on, I don't have time to cook healthy. And let me show you ways to save time, because I don't want you in the kitchen for 2 hours a day. But there are ways to eat healthy that it's not time consuming. It just takes a little bit of planning. But then think about the benefits down the road. Think how good you're going to feel. You're going to stay out of the doctor's office. You're going to stay out of the pharmacy just by doing those little bitty things. And if you agree with me, put a comment or put a heart or something to let me know you're out there. I hope the sound is better on this live. I got some new software, and I fixed my mic problem, I hope. And yeah, so, okay, the shrimp's almost done. So anyway, I just want to leave that food for thought, pun intended. Really think about that in your priority list and how often you eat healthy. And when you put something in your mouth, I want you to think of two things. I want you to think of me. I mean, that little angel on your shoulder. And then I also want you to think, am I eating with intention? Am I eating with the thought of, is this food feeding me well? What am I feeding my kids? What am I feeding my spouse? Is it feeding us well to where we're going to stay healthy? Or is this just feeding our taste buds and feeding my emotions, and then 10 minutes later it's over, right? So, food for thought. I just want you to think about why you're eating the food you're eating. And if there's any tips that I can give you, please reach out, because I want to help you eat healthy. I'll do whatever it takes. And if you're available on the 20th or the 27th for 30 minutes in the afternoon, you should totally attend our free event. It's going to be fun. She's doing like giveaways and everything. She's a promotional company. So like she sent me a mailer, and I got two of these wine glasses. I got this awesome spatula. I got so many things. So anyway, she's doing a bunch of giveaways, and it's free and it's fun. It's just her way of, like, during COVID, of just trying to bring people together. And I think it's great, because I think food brings everyone together, especially when it's healthy. All right, the shrimp is done. It doesn't usually take that long. I'm not used to this cooktop. It'll happen. All right. This is 1 pound of shrimp, and I did cut them in half because they were very large. And the tacos, I'm using corn tortillas, and the tacos are kind of small, and I didn't want the shrimp to like overwhelm the tortilla. Okay. Let's assemble our tacos and make them beautiful. I can't wait for you to see my plate. Okay. Corn tortillas. No, I have not mastered the art of making my own, nor will I probably ever do that. So, got 2 corn tortillas. Let's start with shrimp, shall we? A little bit of shrimp. Bonk, bonk. This is my plate, so I'm going to do more veggies than shrimp. A little cilantro. Bonk, bonk. And now we're going to do slaw. So tasty. So much of the flavor is in the slaw, and most of the nutrients are in there too. Oh, and by the way, did you know cilantro, it's not just tasty, it helps remove the heavy metals from the body. It has a purpose. Pretty interesting, huh? I need to get this off the burner. Okay. Now we're going to add lime. We put lime juice in the slaw and on the shrimp, and now we're going to put it on the taco. These look straight up like they're from Hawaii. I'm pretty impressed with myself. You can also add an avocado, and it is a 50-50 chance that this avocado is going to be brown, because it has been in my... Oh, look, that's pretty good. Okay, not bad. Do not cut your avocado in your hand like I'm doing. Really stupid. Shouldn't do that. Avocados have omega-3 fatty acids that's called the healthy fat, the good fat. We need fat. These are feeding our brain. Our brains really need healthy fats. Your kiddos need healthy fats. Coconut is another really good healthy fat. Coconut oil, coconut water, coconut milk. And then we got protein from the cashew yogurt. You can get that. I get the Forager brand. It's my absolute favorite. And you can get it at a lot of places, but Whole Foods mainly is where I get it. I'm sure like Sprouts has it too. And you can get a lot of things on Amazon now. So, check your Amazon account because they own Whole Foods. So you can get a lot of the ingredients that might be a little bit harder to find online. Okay, check it out. Okay, I have to just do that. I have to do this. Makes me feel like a professional. Okay, not when my hands are dirty. All right, if any of my friends are watching and have my husband's phone number, somebody text him and tell him dinner's getting cold. Check it out. So pretty. Yay. Shrimp tacos that will take you about 20 minutes to make. You do need to marinate this. You don't have to marinate the shrimp. I just did it because it makes the flavor enhanced. But if you're in a hurry, whip it together and put it in there. You don't need to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. If you ever have any questions, especially personal questions about your own health, feel free to email me. I don't mind trying to answer your question. If you have questions about food labels, how to get started eating healthy, email me, info@shellycanhelp.com. And if you don't have anything going on the 20th and the 27th, go register for that event. Instagram @Boundless Collection. Just click the link in our profile and you can register right there. I am not too great at reading the comments. Everybody's saying it looks good. Yay, thank you for commenting. And then I guess that's it. If you haven't done so, make sure you like my page, comment on my stuff. It gets my stuff seen. And I'm trying to change the world, right? I'm trying to make it a better place through healthy eating. And thanks for watching. I couldn't do this without you. I love you guys. And I have one question before I go. What's on your fork? Bye for now.